Hey guys, it's your girl Candy coming back with another video. So I'm just making a really quick clip real quick. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff off of Shein or whatever. And my package is here. So I'm going to go get it. Dang, the package came like a whole week ahead. That's why I fuck with Shein. I can't be loud in the breezeway, y'all, but it's here. So happy. So all right, I'm about to head to the mail room and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my package, y'all. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Candy coming back with another video. This is my very big fat ass Shein haul. There's almost 30 plus items in this package right now. I've been waiting not even more than a week because my package came super early. So shout out to Shein for getting my package here way before time. It was supposed to be here on the 7th. It is currently June 3rd. I am taking a trip to Miami. Might not be super special, super cool because everybody goes to Miami. But yes, I'm taking a trip to Miami. And so some of these clothes is basically kind of like a pre-birthday haul type of thing. We're unboxing right now. I don't know if I'm gonna try everything on right now, but we're definitely ripping this package open like we always do, and we're seeing what's inside. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the Candy fam. Let's get this unpackaging started. Yeah, we're just gonna open everything up. I'm gonna try so hard not to try these on because I want to make that a separate video. But anyways, let's get started. We're gonna rip it open as we usually. Hold up. I don't want to just hold up. Let's do this. Oh, yes, I'm so glad my package came, y'all. I really thought it was gonna just be like a longer wait, but this gives me time to order even more stuff now that this stuff is here early. You feel me? So I'm just gonna pull it out of this bag randomly, I guess. Oh yeah, I remember this. Ha! So these, I wonder if they have an official name on it. No, okay, honestly, these are just weed socks. They were so cute though. I just really had to get some. Okay, let's do this. Ugh. We just honestly just gonna go one by one. I think it's like 30, I wanna say 30 plus, maybe like 28 items in this package. So, okay, my weed sock. It is unzip that, you did. But yeah, I just thought they were really cute. They do come in different colors. Ooh, they come in, I got a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 5-pack of my socks, the weed socks. We have blue. Ooh, the white ones just hit different. Ooh, the white ones hit different. Look at that. Look at that. The white ones are a vibe though. I can't even flex. I'm gonna try not to get these dirty. Okay, we got dark gray. I'm loving the ombre on the leaf. Yeah, the ombre on the leaf. What else? We have light gray. Those kind of, See, I like the gray, but honestly, the black hit different too. So, bam! You feel me? These are too cute. I didn't even want like the long ones like everybody get. Like I just wanted like shortcut. You know, they don't gotta be all the way up here like how I see the other weed socks or whatever. So yeah, so cute. Cute package. Well, you know, Shein always has like the see-through package deal, and I like that. Going right through. Oh yeah. So this is like a little visor thingy-mabobber. That's what it looks like on the outside. Y'all tell me where bougie right now. Like I'm space bougie right now. Like Buzz Lightyear 3000 shades on right now. Like like I don't even want to talk to you. Bougie, space bougie, galaxy bougie is the total feel I get from these. This is like the visor, but it has like the rainbow kind of reflection. I'm on a different planet, bitch. I fell in love with these on the website. They are so cute. You know, just like a little aesthetic or whatever. So, you know. Ooh, so this was an interesting piece. I think this is this dress that I ordered. I didn't mean to throw my stuff like that. So this is let me just open it. Talking about some interesting dress, let me open it. Let's see. Yeah, so this is an interesting dress. Whoa, it's super see-through. This is see-through, but it's very light though. So this is one of the dresses I got. It's definitely a different vibe for me because one, I did not know this was so see-through. What? This is gonna be cute though. So it kind of gives you like I don't know, just vibes. There's a whole bunch of dragons on it actually. That's what the print is. It's dragons. But I'm almost feeling the see-through though. This is cute. Nude underwear for sure. But yeah, so I like these dresses that have the collar come up in the long sleeve. I just feel like you can't touch me. Oh, with the dragon though. Ooh. I'm gonna put it back. Don't come for me for not knowing how to fold this because the material is a little bougie. Put it out the bag. Oh, I pulled two. Let's get it. Oh, I remember this one and oh shoot. Oh, I know what this one is. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, so this is another one where I was talking kind of like about this aesthetic that I really don't know the name of, and I don't want people to come for me. But like I said, I'm into the baggy shirts, and I'm really into dragons right now. Anyways, oh yeah, this is perfect. So I kind of needed a pop, and y'all are gonna see why I say that I needed like a pop. Wow. This orange up against this blue and gold. The designer, whoever designed this, the color scheme though, y'all really nailed it. Cause a lot of people do orange and blue, but with this speck of like, where these words are in gold, that's what caught my eye, really this. Orange is not really my thing because all in high school, like our colors were orange and black. So I just kind of got tired of the orange, but this one is popping, and I would definitely wear this as a t-shirt dress or like in that baggy aesthetic that I'm gonna just show pictures of, like this streetwear. Like I really love this style, and I feel like it's so me. So for sure, but yes, I love this baggy shirt. It is cute, just like how I saw on Shein. So yeah, gonna fold that back up. My hands feel ashy. Don't you hate that feeling when like you just feel ashy, or like especially like your hands like just feel ashy? I need some lotion. This is what I almost forgot. I almost was like, what is this? But through the bag, I already see this is, I want to say, is this did I order a gray romper? I don't know, but anyways, yup. Ooh, it looks a little like it might be big. I don't know, it might fit. Oh, I hope I didn't get this too big. Y'all, I really struggle with ordering like the right size. Oh, wait, that material though, it might be perfect. It might be perfect because this material is a little woo. Because that material isn't as stretchy and bouncy, I guess, like elastic as I thought, but it's already looking cute though. But yeah, I got this because I just needed something breathable, something easy to slip in, because Miami is gonna be one hell of a week. You feel me? It's gonna be me, some friends, my sister, my best friend, and then my significant, mysterious person that I'm not going to name. If I pop out this summer, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay, anyways, next on the list, I wanted to just kind of represent, since it is gonna be my birthday in the 90s, you know, so yeah, I got this really cute, it's like a ribbed cotton feel. Oh, that's gonna be so cute when I wear it. But anyways, cute, simple, kind of gives me like a little schoolgirl vibe, like go team or whatever. So what size is this? This is a 1X. Oh, because I'm kind of confused on the site if the 1X is the extra large, or is the extra large the extra large, or you know what I'm saying? But I always try to be comfortable. I can't do super tight. Like I'm gonna feel like I'm suffocating. You feel me? Just on a simple little vibe. I didn't even count how many items we did already. Let's do a count check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now we did 6 items. First, the orange one, and then this one I got off the men's section. They folded that bitch. Oh, boom. Look at that. I got this shirt because there's nothing like just a fresh white tee, but the fact that it has like these palm trees, this basketball goal, like it's really giving me a vibe. It just reminds me of like playing basketball on Derbyshire, like during the summers. If you're a West Side baby, you know. If you know. But it's giving me like the Derb vibes, and I love Daytona. I love my home, so I needed this, and I got it baggy too, so I can wear it as a dress or wear it as whatever, one by one. Cause I just need to see. Oh, I'm gonna come back to that with it. So the things I kind of got for the streetwear, I'm gonna put to the side here, but I'm gonna go over everything else. I got a lot of t-shirts with dragons on them. It's a vibe though. Okay, yeah. So let me just go over some more, I guess like the dressier part of it all. And then I'm gonna go over like what I got for the streetwear. Oh, haha, ooh. So make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, and then make sure you comment what's your favorite piece that I just took out of this bag that we just did in this unboxing. I can't even tell you what my favorite piece is because I really have a whole nother pile that I have to do a whole nother video on, because this unboxing is insane right now. I forgot that I ordered this much shit and I'm just loving it right now. I can't even talk. So the bag is finally empty. We're empty right now. It's empty. So I'm gonna go over the rest of the things that I got for this kind of Miami trip thing, and then I'm just gonna make the streetwear like a different video. So okay, I will unbox 2 of these shades that I got. I got a lot of shades because I'm gonna be in Miami. It's gonna be hot. I need to be low key. Yeah, I don't need people to be looking at me. If you see me in Miami, you just see me. Don't speak. Just walk past me. But okay, so this I believe is just a regular, I think a cropped like blouse, like tank top type of deal. Yep. Very cute. Ooh, what's the fabric on this? This is soft. Okay. Figure it out. Yeah, so this is a black cami that I got. It was messing me up for a little bit because there's like these, like the way this top part is, I guess, you know, it's for your boobies or whatever, but it's just a little, it was confusing me for a second. But just something cute, something, I'm just trying to get stuff that's breathable, y'all, because I hate that feeling when you sweating and then people see you sweating and then you just look gross. So I'm trying to get stuff that's breathable, cute, show a little tom-tom, you feel me? A birthday piece that I really got specifically for my birthday, actually. I'm a Gemini, y'all. People be trying to tell me a Cancer, but I really just resolute. That's not even the word, but I just really feel that I am a Gemini. So anyways, yeah, so dress similar to that dragon dress, in which the collar comes up and the sleeves are very long. But it's like, no wait, is this? No. This is actually a tank top dress. I don't know why I thought it was like the other one. But this is a tank top dress with this marble feel to it, with like this rose pink, and you know, you see the hints of purple in there. I really just, like, this is like a color that I just wanted to see on myself and try, like this marble type of feel. All right, and then, oh, one last one. This is really part of the streetwear, but I'm gonna unbox it anyway since it was already on the flow. I'd say this is a 90s baby shirt or a 90s shirt. Oh, it's a baby shirt, yeah. So it says baby on here, and it's really sport-like. Like it's really like an athletic feel, but it's very, you can see already that it's a shorter crop top. But when y'all see the rest of my stuff that's for the streetwear haul, you're gonna be like, okay, my hands are so ashy. Super cute. A lot of the streetwear that I do have, I will tell you, it's like this tan color. I think, oh, I'm gonna show y'all the shades. I'm gonna show y'all the shades really quickly. I'm gonna show y'all some of these shades really quickly. You feel me? Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that in streetwear. I can't show y'all. I can't show y'all yet, because those are 5. And if these are the other shades, I think they are, I will show you these. Cause it's a lot of mystery items right now. So, alright. Yup, these are the ones I thought they were. And I love how every pair of shades I get come with a glasses case, and then also the wipes to like wipe your glasses down. That's really fucking cool. Anyways though, so yeah, I'm gonna take these out, the plastic for y'all. Oh, these are so fire, bro. When I see these on the website, I was like, damn, they doing it like this with this little chic kind of look. But these are red shades. And you will see in the other clothes that I have why I have these red shades. I didn't even pay attention to this, but the back of them are gold. Like the little part that you sit on your ear. I think that's tasteful. And these, y'all, tell me that these are not the most chic red shades. I mean, these are definitely the pop out shades where people are gonna stop and look at you and be like, damn, those are nice. Let me pop these. Like, everything is literally red. So, I'm sorry, who? I'm sorry, what? Okay, dear. Like, what? These are just such, like, what else can I say about this unboxing? The best, the most lit unboxing yet. This is only part 1. And I'm just gonna leave the unboxing off on this. This is how we're leaving part 1 of this huge ass, fat ass Shein haul, my dear. I just look like money. And I got all this for the low. That is the end of this part 1 Shein unboxing. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Now, once again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Leave down your favorite piece that you just saw down below. I want to know, what were y'all thinking about the clothes that I got? Is it a yay? Is it a girl, what you doing? Like, let me know down below, what was your favorite piece of clothing, your favorite shades, your favorite pair of socks that you saw in this video. If you're new to the Candy fam, make sure you subscribe. There's more lit hauls coming. I'm doing a part 2, and part 2 is strictly streetwear. This was just like a little pre-birthday Shein haul, you feel me? And yeah, love y'all. See you in part 2, baby.